Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Floki. I wanted to do a new update on Floki because quite a lot of you, in general, I enjoy making videos on Floki and token quite a bit, but right now it's obviously looking bad. All right, so a lot of you who follow me for my Floki and token content. We're talking about it and what's going on, etc. And you can see that there's basically since the 5th of June, so last week Wednesday, we've seen a major sell-off, right? I mean, this is just, in general, this very much, it's in line with the markets, but it is whales and big holders probably selling off positions. Because if you look at that same period of time and you look at the open interest, so that's the amount of open positions, you can pretty much see the same, where we basically, like in a matter of a week or a little bit more, but like a short period of time, we saw over $110 million in positions being closed. And then you can see that that's still going on. So positions are still being closed. And then, so yes, this is going to be a relatively bearish video because I have to be, right? Because if you look at the daily time frame, what you can see there is that we are getting closer, like sure, we had a sell-off, but if you look at the daily time frame, you would have expected some more support at a level like this. So the main support level we had was 22,500. And you can drag that up, you can drag that down a little bit, that you can do that, but it doesn't really change anything because you have a lot of support there, like the 28 EMA, the 50 EMA, this trend line, you have a key level, and then you check the 4-hour time frame, and you can see we actually initially respected that. So that's another confirmation that the level is actually real. And what we have done so far is that, like I said, to kind of refresh your minds, is that first of all, we are still losing momentum here. So that's bad. And then second of all, Floki also broke down below that level and is respecting it as resistance. So short term, if nothing changes, I have to be bearish on Floki. Now we are now in a weird area, so I think the main support level will drop down to is 20,000 and 19,000. And why I say we're in a weird area is that historically this level has always been kind of a transit area. So basically the price kind of bounces around in there. And it's very possible that if Bitcoin, for example, turns bullish, that we can just bounce back from this level. So that we, like I said, or like I showed, that we drop down to 20,000, 19,000 for now, but that we just consolidate in there for a little bit, and that we actually get a bullish breakout later and continue to be bullish. That is a possibility. However, due to, and that's mainly because of the market, look, what I'm going to tell you is wait for a breakout. I think that's quite obvious, all right? So if you look at this current situation, the level is probably a bit bigger, but I would say 19,000 and 22,500. For now, short term, we're probably bearish, but ultimately and longer term, you need to wait for one of those two levels to actually break. And for us to actually get a breakout above that or below that, to know what's going to happen and to know what the most likely continuation is. So that's what I'm going to tell you. But I do have to say that if you look at Bitcoin right now, the expectation for the market in general this summer and in the short term, and then in combination with the sell-off we had for Floki, for now it looks more likely, unfortunately, that we are going to find support here and consolidate, but that we will have a bearish breakout later. That's it for now, all right? If anything changes, like if I think that all of a sudden a bullish breakout becomes more likely, if we gain momentum, for example, or if Bitcoin turns more bullish, I will let you know. But for now, I think this is what you need to know, all right? So if you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.